If you're looking to track engagement with your website or landing page, the Proof Analytics dashboard is one of the most powerful tools you can use. This quick guide will show you exactly how to navigate the dashboard and use its features to understand your audience's behavior better so you can make smarter marketing decisions. Stay tuned, because I'll also share an exclusive bonus that'll let you try this software for free. More on that later. When you first log into Proof's dashboard, you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. The first thing you'll notice is the real-time analytics feature. Here, you can see how many people are actively engaging with your site right now. This is a great starting point to understand whether your traffic is converting as expected. The real-time data lets you see key metrics like page views, clicks, and interactions all in one place. This is essential for tracking engagement, as it gives you an immediate sense of how well your content is resonating with your visitors. Proof also provides detailed insights into user behavior. You can see how long visitors are spending on your pages, where they're clicking, and what parts of your site are getting the most attention. This is valuable information that can help you optimize your landing pages, CTAs, and content layout. The Proof Analytics dashboard breaks down the engagement data into easily digestible charts, allowing you to make quick, data-driven decisions to boost your conversion rates. Next, Proof helps you segment your audience for more tailored insights. You can set up specific user segments, like visitors who came from paid ads, organic traffic, or email campaigns. Tracking engagement for each of these groups will give you a clearer picture of where to focus your marketing efforts. For instance, if your paid traffic is generating tons of clicks but low engagement, you may want to rethink your ad copy or landing page design. One of the best features of the Proof Analytics dashboard is the A/B testing capability. You can run split tests on your pages directly through the platform, measuring how different versions of a page perform with real-time data. This helps you determine which design, copy, or CTA gets the most engagement, allowing you to refine your pages for maximum performance. It's a game changer when you need to make evidence-based decisions quickly. To track long-term trends, Proof provides an analytics history feature. This allows you to review engagement data over time, so you can see how your pages have performed on a weekly, monthly, or even yearly basis. It's perfect for understanding seasonal trends or tracking the impact of a major change to your website, like a redesign or new marketing campaign. Now, here's where it gets really useful. Proof also shows you the social proof stats. You'll see how many other people are engaging with your content, such as how many people have signed up for your newsletter or made a purchase. This social proof can be incredibly valuable when it comes to increasing credibility and encouraging others to take action. The more people who engage with your content, the more likely new visitors are to follow suit. To top it off, the Proof Analytics dashboard offers integration with popular platforms like Google Analytics and MailChimp. This means you can sync all your engagement data in one place and create a more holistic view of your customer journey. With this level of integration, you can easily track your return on investment and determine whether your efforts are paying off. Before you go, remember you can try the Proof Analytics dashboard completely for free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the link below. Not only will you get access to the full dashboard, but you'll also receive an extended free trial. Don't miss out on this opportunity to optimize your site's engagement with data-driven insights.